How to create a SAT vmail address, and update settings in Falcon Megatrack. Go to falconmegatrack.com website. Enter your login ID and password. And click on Login. Click on Asset Details. Open the drop-down menu of Select an Asset, select your asset and then click on SAT vmail. Click on Create SAT vmail address. A window will appear. Enter an email address and password. Use your asset name as an email, it is recommended. And click on Create button. Email address created successfully. Close the window. Now to update settings for SAT vmail address. Click on Settings. SAT vmail address setting window will appear. Let us go through the mailbox settings one by one. By default, shore to vessel email sending is allowed. If you select Not Allowed, you cannot send messages from shore to vessel. Email text size allowed, affects the usage cost. Click on the drop-down menu, and select the text size according to your requirement. However, 10 KB is recommended. By default, attachments is allowed. If you select Not Allowed, the vessel can still receive emails, but attachments will not be included. By default, the attachment size allowed is 1 MB. Click on the drop-down menu and select the attachment size according to your requirements. However, 1 MB is recommended. If the attachment size exceeds the allowed limit, the email will not be delivered to the vessels and the sender will receive a notification to reduce the attachment size. HTML formatted messages is disabled by default. If enabled, emails will be delivered to the vessel in a formatted style after compression, rather than as plain text. Please note that this option may increase data usage and satellite bills by 30 to 40%. Through the Authorized Senders option, you can define who can and who cannot send emails to vessel. There are 3 options for authorized senders, which are all, only listed, all except listed. Let us understand one by one. If you select all, then anyone can send messages to vessel. If you select only listed, then the only listed emails are able to send messages. Let us add emails to the list who can send messages to vessel. Click on Add button. If you select all except listed, then anyone can send messages to the vessel except listed here. Let us add emails to the list who cannot send messages to vessel. Click on Add button. By default, Send Email Processing Report is enabled. If you disable it, you will not receive an email processing report. Email text size allowed, affects the usage cost. Click on the drop-down menu and select the text size according to the vessel's requirement. However, 10 KB is recommended. By default, attachments is allowed. If Not Allowed is selected, the vessel cannot send email attachments. By default, the attachment size allowed is 1 MB. Click on the drop-down menu and select the attachment size according to the vessel's requirement. Once all parameters are set, click the Save button to apply the changes. SAT vmail creation and settings have been successfully done for the vessel. After watching this tutorial, please watch How to Add Vmail Address in vmail software. For further assistance, send an email to support@falconmegasolutions.com. Thanks for watching.